Guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to be doing a quick and dirty windshield glass remover. Now I came up with a plan. I've already done half the windshield, so I know it's going to work, and we're going to see exactly how it goes. Now I started off getting the windshield up, putting some safety wire through, started going back and forth with my socket, and well, I pretty much said that sucked. There's got to be a better way. So, the quick and dirty easy way. Grab yourself a multi-tool. And I already ripped through, probably 60% of this windshield in 5 minutes. Basically, you can see, you're all the way to the edge. I left off somewhere over here. So, all you're going to do is you're just going to keep nipping, going over like an inch or so. If you want to play it safe, this doesn't appear to be scratching the glass, but you can always throw some tape down. I'm taking this windshield out because I got a little bit of rust that I got to fix, and because it's cracked. That's why the tape is here. So I'm going to get this going. I got about from here to the center over here, so I'm going to throw this on the tripod and see where we end up.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours.
All right. So there we go. She's out. So now, of course, we got to go through and get all this glue off of here, but that's just labor. And now I can fix a little bit of rust I got. So, yeah, it looks like I'm going to be able to save this inner gasket. I don't know if I need a new one or not. I'm just going to glue, throw some glue over this, call it a day. I showed you how to take it out. Now I'll show you how to put it in. Now what I did, I don't know if it was right or not, but I actually got some RTV and glued this gasket and this gasket into place. So I don't have to worry about any of that falling out when I go to put this in. So I have the adhesive sitting over in a pot of hot water because everything I know said it was thick. So I'm going to try to skim that down a little and lay a bead on here and chuck this in. Say that worked out perfect. All right, let's slap the glass on. Sorry guys, I just got done editing and I realized that my camera cut off just as I was installing the windshield. So here's where it ended up. As you can see, it's fine. It's been on the Jeep for probably about a month now. Hasn't fallen off. All you really missed was just me just laying the glass in here and sealed up nice and tight. So yeah, that's gonna do it. This is very, very easy to do. It's something that I recommend to anybody because Safelite's gonna hit you up for like 450 bucks, and quite honestly, that's a total ripoff. So guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and get off the couch and get in the garage.